Hi everyone, welcome back to Divine Angels 11. I'm Ashna and today I'm doing the tarot reading for the week of 26th July 2021. So let's see what are the messages for this week. Four of Cups. Now, this is a card which talks about isolation, not wanting to mingle socially with other people. This also means being in your own zone, not bothered about others around you. This could also mean underlining symptoms of depression. So you or someone around you might be facing such an issue where the person might be like isolated. This could be a very drastic change also. It could be all of a sudden. So this person might want to be on their own. They might want a little space and they might want to be in their own cocoon. So it's important to give them that space, especially for this week. I feel this behavior will go on for the next 4 months, and no matter how much you want to give to this person, if you're lending out a helping hand or trying to speak to them, trying to get them in the groove, trying to tell them to be with around everyone, whether with friends or family, this person will not engage in for at least for the next 4 months. So it's important to let them be for a while. If you feel that there are warning signs, if you feel the behavior has changed a lot, it's important to seek therapy for this person. This could even be you, like I said, or to go to a spiritualist or an astrologer and ask what are the remedies that can be done, because this I feel some of you may get worried about this person. You may feel that this person is all of a sudden changed and they want to be away from everyone. They don't want to indulge in a social gathering, meetings, or meeting with friends. So you might get worried for them. But I think this will increase in the next 4 months. So you will see every day this person's isolation, them wanting to be in their own zone, will keep growing. This will increase only. So if you feel there is a major issue, if you feel that there is some conflict that they're facing, it's important to help with that. If you don't know the reason, it's important to let them be and ask them to meet someone, to talk to a therapist, so that they can come out of their cocoon. Or if it's depression, then it's very, very important to see whether you need medication or you just need therapy. So all those things are happening this week. Let's see the next card. Ace of Swords. Now this talks about difficult beginnings. This talks about that something new has started in your life and you know that it's not going to be easy. So these difficulties, these obstacles have already started forming their ground. It's on your way, and you know that whatever you're doing right now, it's not going to be an easy task. This could be related to your personal life, your emotional needs, or this could even be related to your career. So it's important to at least give it about 8 to 10 months before you finally decide that I'm giving up on this. So supposing, I'll give you an example, supposing you started a new business and you feel that you don't have enough resources to continue with it, or you feel that you do not have enough clients, or you're not getting money or profits. I would say don't shut it down. Wait for at least 8 to 10 months before you decide whether you're earning profit, whether things are getting better. But yes, it's a difficult beginning. It might not be very easy to handle. And even when it comes to relationships, I feel those of you who've recently been in relationships or about to get married or recently got married, you may realize that this is not going to be easy. This could be related to your partner, this could be related to your partner's family. You know that it's not going to be an easy task. But like I said, don't make your decision just yet. Wait it out for another 8 to 10 months. Let's see the final card. Five of Wands. This is a very it's not a really great card. This talks about politics at workplace, at home. This talks about fights, verbal, lashing out on each other. So for the next 5 weeks, again, be very careful. I think it's not an easy few weeks. You have to be tactful. You have to stand your ground, but lovingly. Don't assert yourself aggressively, because that's really going to result in this. So if you see this picture closely, there are people fighting with each other without realizing who they're hitting. So it might be so that you might have an anger towards a particular person, but it if directly affects someone who's close to you. Now this would make sense to each of you individually. So if you feel that if you are not getting along with a particular person, and it's directly affecting someone very close to you, please stop taking out your grudges with that particular person, because if you fight with certain person, it might affect you or people close to you. So be very careful. Choose your battles wisely this week, especially for the next 5 weeks. You might see a lot of politics, you might see a lot of backbiting, workspace, at home. So be very careful. Cleanse yourself, meditate, try and stay away from drama. So if we relate this to the first card of isolation, this might be because you might be facing a lot of conflict around you, and you finally decide that, you know what, I'm going to shut myself down. I'm not going to let anybody around my periphery. I'm going to make like a Lakshman Rekha around me and not let anyone get involved in my life. So it could be a direct consequence of certain politics and fights happening around you. So do not worry. I know these are not the best of cards, but we have every day we have to take things in our stride. If there are bad days, there'll be good days as well. So I hope this made sense, and if you want a personal reading, you know what to do. Send me a DM and I'll schedule an appointment as soon as possible for you. I'll see you very soon. Love and light to you all. Bye.